Hey everybody, this is Jebbie, and this is a very basic video about how to use the lights in a Volvo. The lights are controlled by the stalk on the left, and the indications happen there in your driver's display on the left hand side there. And so right now it's 0, there's no indication. If you go all the way up into the auto like this, you'll notice that there's a green light symbol there. It means the lights are on, and auto is pretty much the only one you need to know about. During the day, it gives you Thor's hammer's running lights in the front. At night, it will give you the lights that come on as soon as it detects enough darkness. If you pull this up like that and it'll click back, up there you'll notice you now have a light symbol with an A in it. This is auto high beams. The high beams will come on automatically if it's dark enough, and if it detects a light in front of you, it will dim them. If the light goes away, then it will return back to auto high beams. You click it up one more time and you can see that that symbol will disappear. Below that, you have manual settings. So if you click it down once like this, you have normal lights on at this point. If you want to put your high beams on, you push away from you like this, and you'll notice that you have a blue symbol up there. And if you push towards you like this, the blue symbol will go away to get rid of the high beams. And if you just pull it once like this, you flash your high beams. The one below that, your parking lights, if you leave it in this position and lock the car, the lights will remain on. Be very careful of it. There are 2 switches to the right of the rotary knob. The 2 switches are fog lights. If you push on the top one, you'll see a green indication that happens there. This is your front fog light. If you push on the bottom one, you'll see the yellow indication. This is your back fog light. The fog lights in the front try to get underneath the low fog, and the ones at the back make you extremely visible at night. The last thing I want to talk about is cornering lights. If you turn your steering wheel to the left fog light will come on, the right one will switch off. If you turn it to the right cornering light will come on, and the left one will switch off. And that is your tutorial on lights. Thank you so much for watching today. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the share button, and keep driving that Volvo.